Hi y'all folks, this is Max from ZeroMax.com. We have some spurts of videos tonight. Anyway, do you know how to make that sound? So but it's more like, I don't even know what you call it, but it's just so loud a bang. What you do is you get your tongue, stick it up on top of your mouth, and then you just kind of, you put some pressure that way, and then you just, and I used to go like, I used to cheat when I do this, so it's louder. I'll just, when I snap my fingers, I'll be like, anyway, something I learned from my friends when I was in middle school. I just want to share that with you. So that's how you do it. See y'all later.